Good morning. Today I am going to show how we can insert the paper in this typewriter. But before that, we should know what should be the posture of a typist. He or she should be kept his back and neck straight while doing the typing. His or her feet, they both should be flat on the floor, and between 2 feet there should be gap of almost 15 centimeters. This can be done on approximation basis. Now I am going to show how we can insert the paper in this machine. Mostly we use 2 papers for doing typing because one paper can give the backing support to this typing paper. Okay, these are the papers. Now I am going to show how I can insert the paper in this machine. We can put the paper on the back of this cylinder. This is the cylinder knob. They can rotate. While rotating, the paper comes in front. Keep on rotating so that the paper rolls around this cylinder. And this is the paper bale which we kept on this paper so that it can hold the paper properly. If sometime paper is not properly in a symmetrical basis, you can release this